Ready to truly personalize your AI experience? First, let's dive into the heart of Vapi AI. Locate the setting for custom values within your project settings or the specific AI element you're working with. It often involves a designated area with options. This section is where the magic happens. It allows you to set custom variables. Think of these as personalized data points you'll feed into the AI. You'll create names for these custom variables and then define associated values. Imagine you want your AI to know a user's name or favorite color. You'll create a custom value, like user_name, and assign the value Alex. Then do the same with creating favorite_color with the value blue. Now, how do we make the AI use these? During your AI interaction setup, you'll weave these custom values into your prompts or response templates. By using these custom values, you can get your AI interaction to use the user's details in the responses. The result? A tailored AI experience. Your AI now greets the user by name and references their preference. You'll experience a lot more engagement in the responses. Always test your setup thoroughly. Experiment with different custom values and prompt variations to fine-tune the AI's responses. With custom values, you're not just using AI. You're making it yours, creating more meaningful interactions with your users. Go customize.